Hi, I'm Jeff Moore. I'm a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. Open your mouth and don't touch anywhere with your tongue or your lips. I, That's a vowel sound. In Japanese, we have 5. A, I, U, E, O. English has many more. Most English speakers, like me, have 13. Some have 14 different vowel sounds. We describe vowels by 3 important points. Is your mouth wide or narrow? Is the tongue in the front or in the back? Are your lips flat or round? This chart shows all the common vowels for languages. Imagine a face looking to the left. Vowels on the top are closed vowels, so your mouth doesn't open very much. Vowels on the bottom are open vowels, so your mouth opens wide. Try saying I, A, I, A. Can you feel it? I is closed and A is open. I, A, I, A, iya, sa, sa. We also call closed vowels high vowels because your tongue is up high. I. And we call open vowels low vowels because your tongue is low. Vowels on the left side are front vowels, so the middle of your tongue goes forward. Vowels on the right side are back vowels, so you pull your tongue back. Try saying o, o. Can you feel it? E is front and o is back. O, oedo-san. O. There's one more point to describe vowels. The lips. The shape of your lips can change the sound of a vowel. Usually, we talk about round lips and unround lips. In Japanese, O is a rounded vowel because your lips, O, are round. E is an unrounded vowel because your lips stay flat. Try to say an E sound, e, and make your lips round. Japanese people make this sound all the time to show that they're a little bit surprised or to say that something is interesting. It's also a sound in German. Try to say schön. Schön. That means beautiful in German. Now you know everything you need to understand the vowel chart. Let's practice some American English vowels. Please repeat. A, hat. Ah, hot. I, hit. Head. Sun. Push. Better. About. Thank you for watching. Please comment if you have any questions.